Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little hopeless and why I can tell it around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired and know I got to get and cry. Every now and then I get a little bit tired, but then I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart.
You're loving in the shadow of all the time.
Basta natuto kaya, Barmil.
I'm always in the dark. We're living in a power game. We'll give our spot. I really need it tonight.
Forever gonna start tonight. Forever gonna start tonight. Once upon a time I was falling in love, but all is falling apart. All the cliffs of the heart.
Sige ako background na.
Ako na, background.
Tikasan! Tikas!
Time there was light in my life, but now there's only love in the heart. Nothing I can say, I thought all the cliffs of the heart.
Ano ba yan?
Tapos na to ya.
Gusto mo ba?
Gawin Cesar?
Gumagawin siya sa hindi.
Ang dumi-dumi kayo. Yung lasing. Yung nasa tabi mo, mga lasing na.
Yaweng! Eri mo ba?
Ay, hindi yun. Mani, may sipag sa mani. May virus ka rin.
Dahil pare.
Ano yung mga pare?
Pare.
Ano ba play dito, par?
Yung naka-play yan.
May virus ka rin.
Sa gitna.
Pare. Pare ko.
May virus ka rin na si mani.
Turn around, bright eyes.
Para itong kita lang, itong kita.
Naka-play na, play na.
Ah, play ito.
Turn around, bright eyes.
Ano tropa rito? Yama.
Need you more than ever. If you only hold me tight,
Ramil.
we'll be holding on forever. We'll only be making it right. We'll never be wrong. Together
Nice,
we
Bill!
can till the end of the line. Your love is like a shadow all the time. But now I'm only falling apart.
Rico, nakagago pala eh. Nasik yung. Go, Samsung! Go!
Tara, try mo.
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only love at the top. Nothing I can say, turn the cliffs of the heart.
Hayla at lanan. Hayla at
Turn the cliffs of the heart.
Hayla at lanan.
Bawal na gamot pare.
Sayang.
Droga. Yung laot lanan.
Hayla at lanan.
Yung kinamuli.
Lunes!
Magkakilala.
Wala kang
Mamaya.
pasok sa trabaho.
Pasok, Tay!
Merkules.
Sampalin mo muna!
Lapit pare. Mataas yan.
Rumors deep inside, rolling down like thunder.
Doon kayo sa labas.
And feel its moving pain. Her voice warm and tender. I love her. Cause I
Si Gama si Raulo. Yan. Si Raulo yan. Baliw. Antotero. Jerry Boy in the house. Yeah. Ako, simple lang. Jerry Boy in the house. Simple lang. Naka-play yan dyan. Okay lang. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang.
Ito po, naka-play tayo dito. Ano po yung masasabi nyo sa pagkapanalo ng Manny Pacquiao ngayong taong ito?
No comment ako dyan.
Bakit naman po?
Ay, ito sa labas ng
May virus ako ngayon.
Jack! Jack!
Okay, nandito po tayo sa ABS-CBN Live News Update. Ano po masasabi nyo sa pagkapanalo ni Manny Pacman, the great event?
Masasabi ko, masasabi ko lang naman, lasing na siya.
Ano, lasing na si Manny Pacman?
Oo, lasing na siya.
Ano masasabi nyo?
I hit the red knock, you know, in the first round. But still standing.
Ayun po, ang ganda na ng pagka-speaking English ni Manny Pacquiao. You know?
Got it. So he knocked down.
Wow.
You know, Madam President, especially may kababayan.
Okay, it's a beautiful message for Manny Pacquiao in the evening news. Ito po si Arnold Clavio, nag-ulat para sa ABS-CBN News Live Update. Okay, bigayin na po natin sa mayari ng camera.
Ba't sarado yung lente?
Ay, nasayang.